The following segment is sponsored by Master Muffler. Give the gifts of a better running car this holiday season. Master Muffler is hosting its 6th annual Christmas car giveaway. Say that 3 times in a row. That's a mouthful. Brian's here to tell us all about it. Brian, this is so cool that you guys do this.
We love it. This is the coolest thing that we do. Our employees love it, and it's our 6th annual Christmas car giveaway. And our customers, when it began, our customers would come in and they have like a really big repair, like an engine, and they're like, I don't want to repair this. I'd rather spend this on a new car.
Yeah.
And we're like, what do we do with these cars? You know, and so we buy them from our customers. We fix them up, repair them to excellent condition, and to get all the maintenance done, and then we give them away to people in our community who are in need.
This is so cool. Okay, what is the retail value of the giveaways? Do you know?
So it depends. Typically, it's anywhere from $500 up to $5,000 is the value of the cars, and they're typically 10 to 15 years old. This year we're adding. We noticed in previous years when giving these cars away, a lot of the recipients had cars. They weren't able to fix them. Okay. And so this year we're saying, hey, look, we're going to give away a few cars, and we're also going to give away repairs. Because they have, and plus with the shortage in the supply chain, it's tough to get a new car, it's tough to get a used car.
Right.
And so this year you can nominate someone to get, for the Christmas car giveaway, or you can nominate someone to get their car repaired.
Well, Brian, that's so nice of you guys, because you may have a car sitting in the driveway that, it can be expensive to fix.
Right.
So that's nice that you can either win a newer car or the repairs, right? So what kind of repairs will you guys do? So
we're full service auto care. I know the name is Master Muffler. We've been around for 60 years, and we've fully transitioned to full service auto care. So anything that it needs, we can fix. We partner with local body shops that help us out. So if it has a little bit of body damage, we can help with that too.
Awesome. Okay, how can we nominate someone? Because that's the process, right?
Right. So go to mastermuffler.net. There will be 2 options. Nominate someone to get your car repaired, or nominate someone to receive a car. Okay. And if you can just give us the best description that you can, right, of like, hey, if you need a repair, like what's going on with the car, what's the year, the make, the model. You don't have to be exact, but just try to give us the best idea.
You want to know the details.
Yeah, as much as you can, and kind of tell us a little about what's going on with that individual. We take all the nominations and we select them, and then we by December 15th, we'll have everybody selected, and we'll give away their cars and the repairs.
When do you have to nominate someone by? Is there a deadline?
December 15th.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's when you have to get in. Now, how have you seen people's lives change in the past? Because this is pretty powerful.
It's awesome. It's really neat. I know that like for one individual, it was a dad, a single dad, and he just went through a divorce, and he had to have he needed to have a car in order to be able to see his kids, right?
Kind of important.
And so we were able to get him a minivan, and anyways, it was awesome. So he was able to have the car so he could make sure that he could have the joint custody. I don't know the legal end of it, but he was really excited about it, so he could transport his kids back and forth and see him.
That makes me teary-eyed, to be able to see his kids. That's so important. Okay, again, one more time, where can we nominate someone and find more details, Brian?
Go to mastermuffler.net to nominate, and we also allow self-nominations. Sometimes if you don't have someone that, sometimes like we do allow self-nominations. We do review them.
Perfect.
And we have done self-nominations as well as nominate someone else.
Brian, thanks so much. Great to see you.
Thank you for having me.
Of course.
Appreciate it.
And we'll be right back.